What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Damon Warren, and this is Day One Adventures. And today, we are up in Philly, getting ready to hit FanExpo 2024. Parked at a different garage today. This one's right off of Broad Street. It's about a block away from where I normally park. I'll show you what it looks like over there. So over there, that's the garage I normally park at right there. That's a good one on the weekends, no matter what. This one I got through Spot Hero, so that's good. That's the Comcast building right there, and that's the garage. And right over this way, that's where Broad Street is. So you're about 3 blocks away from the convention center. One of the things about this one is you make the reservation through Spot Hero. But you're right on Broad Street, so the difference in the space, it's about a block, about the same. Cost is about the same. This one you have to go through Spot Hero. That's what I heard, that's what I did, and that's the price I got. So it puts you out right here at Broad Street and the Vine. Entrance to the garage is right down that way. So you will be coming down. The best way to get to it is to come down Broad Street, maybe from Calla Hill or something, and then make the turn into the garage. They do have parking up on the top there. It's exposed. It's got a nice view of City Hall and of the bridge, so it's a pretty good place to park. I probably would suggest it just so it's right off the express, off of Broad Street. Now, as far as getting to it, it was a little tricky. I do prefer parking at the other one as far as access, because when I'm driving in, I just get off the Vine Street Expressway and I'm right there at the garage. This one, you got to kind of go around the block to get to. That's the garage right there. So you come down Broad Street and then you pull in. It's almost like a little alleyway right there. And that's where the entrance to the garage is. So you'll be coming that way. And then City Hall's right there. And you'll see the big mural right there. And the convention center is on that next block with the overhang. So you're really close, you can see everything where you're getting to. So about a block away from where you park at is the 7-Eleven. So you can stop in there and get some snacks or come out from the convention center and pick up some snacks. That's a good thing to know. Watch out for the other garages, because some of these garages, you'll park in them and the sign will say one thing, and it's actually going to be almost triple what it is. So I definitely suggest decide where you're going to park before you show up. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so here we go at the prop checks. Get your props checked in. If it looks dangerous or it looks like it can hurt somebody, they're gonna check it, they're gonna tag it. Leave your katanas at home, leave your swords at home, leave your sides at home.
Entrance is this way, y'all.
No, over here.
FanExpo.
FanExpo.
Yep.
You're gonna go through the security and walk straight down.
Badge activation. So what you gotta do, scan it? Okay, let's see. So, all right. I think I gotta get scanned in here. Oh, they don't do that? Okay, thank you. All right. So this is your VIP, your ultimate lounge. Spend a couple extra bucks, you get the ultimate lounge. Here's the show floor right here. Now the elevators are supposed to be for accessibility and strollers, so, you know.
You want help? I know.
All right, so here's the eating option. They got this newly branded The Exchange here. See if I can get in here and just take a look at the menu. So that's the menu right there. And you pretty much go through the line and get your sandwiches. Everything's pre-made and everything. You can just walk straight in through and grab it. And the line's moving pretty fast, so it's yeah, they even have some fresh fruit options right here. Chips, everything. Got your Gator, you got your water. All right, so you come out here, you walk down this hallway, you got some seats here, everybody's kind of chilling in this area, and then you come down here, and this is the food. Yeah, so this is new for this year. What else is kind of cool about this over this way, it's a little bit more chill. You got seats, you're not on the main floor with all the reverb and everything. Yeah, this is definitely, yeah. All right. So everybody's down in this area congregating. Yeah, it's cool. It's like a little place to let loose. Yeah. And here you go. You got some food options. This place right here, Philly Eats. And get the time in there. So they're from, well, today was 2 to 8. Yeah, they didn't put the time up for tomorrow. I imagine they're gonna close at 8, but who knows what time they're gonna open. So there's the menu right there. You got some chips, hot dogs, $7 for a hot dog. Snack box is 8. Hoagies is 12. Beverage, water starts at 5. Soda is 6. Iced tea, smart water 6. So you got that right there. And you got Liberty Bell snacks down this way. And they got some of that lemonade, regular or strawberry. So there you go. Grilled cheese, $12. Popcorn, 8. Hot dogs is 8. They got some dips, cotton candy. All right. It's a little charging station over that way. And look, they put some extension cords right there. All right, let's go downstairs and see what we got going on downstairs today. So this is the family room here. So this is family activities. I think they just made some slime. So this is really cool. I think this is actually an addition for this year also. So they have some family activities that you can do, different options. So one of the good things about this is it's not just the main area upstairs with the big floor and everybody selling anything. This is really an expo. So down here they have the VIP lounges. They have different lounges for Ultimate members, VIP members. There's meeting rooms. There'll be different meetings, different people. You can actually set up a panel. Let's say one of your passions is, there's actually one on social media. So you can go to that panel and it'll help you with social media, costumes and combat, how to do your cosplay, how to hook that up and everything. And there's a Japanese arcade. So there's a lot of chill options here this year. Not everybody has to be up on the one floor. The schedules are out there. Make sure you get the app though. If you're coming, get the app. That's first thing. Get the app. And what I do is I go down the app and mark off everything that I want to do. Then that way I can make sure that I make it to it. And the app will let you set if you want a 15-minute reminder, 10-minute reminder, or no reminder. So that's good to know. So if you want to talk to people doing cosplay, you want to talk to people doing voiceovers, all that stuff, you can set that up and then you can just, do the different things. So we got a maid cafe. This is new. Let's see. We got so this is the maid cafe. So look at that.
If you have ever prayed, if you like making love at midnight, and the tunes of the king, and the love that you look for, right to be and escape. Yes, I repeat and coladas.
So you got the maid cafe right there. Some accessibility. Is one of the other meeting rooms right here. There you go. They're having a little chat in there. Nice and focused right there. And probably one of my favorites, show you the Japanese arcade. So they started this like last year. And it's a traveling arcade. Check this out. So it's a traveling arcade, and they do Detroit, Michigan, follow them, Psychic Drive. So here we go. Let's take a look at what they got going on in here. I didn't even know there was such a thing. Oh, look at that. You won't see that game anywhere else. All right. Excuse me. Thank you. Then look, they got the drums right here. They got some serious Dance Revolution going on. Extreme. Somebody's about to get smoked. So the parking garage, since I did it on Spot Hero, I have until 10 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock now. It would have been $18. Since I did Spot Hero, I paid $13. So I saved about $5 by using Spot Hero. Location is good. I like it. So you can park at this one or the other one. This one's a little bit more tricky to get into because it's right off Broad Street. You got to turn on, I believe it's Wood Street, which is kind of like a weird street. Or you can get right off the Vine Street and park in that one. You don't need to go through Spot Hero or anything. That's their everyday price.